everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. I am back and I have got an exciting announcement for all of you guys. I am partnering with Cricut, and Cricut has sent me a bunch of goodies, and I thought that it would be fun to unbox everything and share with you some of the goodies that they sent me. Now, this is 2 of 3 boxes. The third box hasn't arrived yet. I'm hoping it's not lost and that it will arrive soon. I do know that this box contains the machine because there was a manifest label on the outside of it. So I know that the machine is here. I'm so excited about the machine. Oh my God. I'm so excited about the machine. But I just thought it would be fun to unbox and share with you some of the goodies. And then when box 3 shows up, I'll tag it to this video on the end, so you'll be able to see everything. And then we'll be doing some Cricut projects and stuff going forward. I'm so excited about this, y'all. Cricut was a company that I had been wanting to work with for quite a while, and the opportunity presented itself, and I was all about it. All right, so I did kind of slit the tape here. Again, I know what's in the machine, or I know what's in this box, but you guys don't. But you are getting ready to see. Do you know what it is yet? Oh, it's so heavy. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Look. Look. I think it's backwards. Oh gosh. Getting a workout. They sent me the Cricut Maker. I am so excited about it. This thing does everything, and I have not even played around with this yet, but there are so many attachments and so many tools that come with the Cricut Maker that I'm so excited to jump in. Like, all my projects are going to be Cricut related going forward. So there's a calligraphy pen. There is a washable fabric pen. There are all kinds of different knife blades and cutting. There's a fine point pen. There's a rotary blade. There literally is all kinds of stuff, and it's in this box. And it's the pretty champagne colored one, which I'm so excited about. Y'all, I'm so excited. This is gonna change everything in the DIY world. Like, I wanna just look at it. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to unpack it because I want to actually go through it, you know, properly and learn how to use my machine. But oh, look at that. Like, let's get started. Like, it literally, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I have to share this part with you. Like, I'm not gonna set it up right now because that will be in a coming video where we go through all that. But check that out. Like, it's all the instructions, everything you need is right in this Let's Get Started box. And then look how pretty they wrap up the machine itself. Like, it looks so good. Oh my goodness, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. Like, I feel like I'm opening like a Louis Vuitton bag or something like that. Like, it's crazy. Oh. Oh, it's heavy. It's very heavy. Which is good. That means it's solid. I just can't get a good handle on it. Okay. And there's cords and other things in there too. Look how beautiful. Oh my God, I have to do this. I know this is kind of a pain. Let me move this down just a little bit. Look how beautiful. I love this too. Like, it has a built-in like caddy for all those tools I don't know how to use yet. But this is really nice. Like, I would have never, ever thought that they would be interested in me or my channel. But wow. All right. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. And I need to read through all the instructions. There's a great power cord. And it feels like there's other things in here. Oh! Some like little cutting mats or something. Oh, one's for fabric and one's, okay. Sorry, I just realized I looked at those without even showing you guys those. So that was in there, and then yep, that's it. That is it. That is the Cricut Maker. I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited about it. All right, now get all these boxes out of the way. I have this great rolling table to be able to put my Cricut on, which is going to be amazing. And all right, now you guys can see me. Let's open this box here to see what's in here. This probably has a bunch of supplies because they told me that in addition to sending me the machine, that I would get a bunch of supplies. I'm thinking because of the size of this box, maybe it's vinyl. Already I'm like an expert. Oh yeah, I can tell that box is vinyl. But yeah, it looks like a ton. Oh wow, it's a lot of stuff. Get rid of all this. And then there's a little manifest in there. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, let's just jump into this. I've got some holographic iron-on transfer. Shut up. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be so much fun for t-shirts, and it's iron-on, so I assume it's for fabric. Long-lasting holographic iron-on transfer. Oh, yeah. Hello, t-shirts. Here's another one, a pink one, iron-on transfer. That will be fun. Maybe I can make some special edition, like crafty DIY guy t-shirts or something. I don't know. What is this one? Premium vinyl. It lies flat, easy to, I can't see, easy to weed and apply. All right. Oh, it looks like it's several different colors. Sorry guys, I know that it looks like it's those 3 different colors there. It's probably hard to see. Let's see if I can help with that. Yeah, there they are. So that's really cool because you have to have the vinyl to do the projects. So I'm kind of like, I'm terrified. I'll be very honest, but not because I know, not because it's not user friendly. I'm terrified just because it's like, it's a lot of fun stuff and it's something brand new that I get to learn. And for that, I'm absolutely thrilled. So I got one of these. I love it if like the Cricut folks know exactly what all this stuff is as you're watching this. And you're like, that's such and such. Like if you have tips or anything, please send them over. So this is transfer tape. And I'm sure that has something to do with the design. My sister did a door sign for me. Oopsie. And she sent me some stuff. Oh, I'm dropping stuff everywhere. Let's see. All right. Back to the box. Cricut infusible ink transfer sheets. Again, very, very cool. Looks like there's some different colors in there, which is very, very amazing. Patterns, watercolors. Very cool. It's Cricut infusible ink. Nice. Put it down there so it doesn't fall. Cricut infusible ink markers. Nice. I'm guessing these go in the machine. They're heat activated. That's cool. I'll learn what they go with. So Cricut, more infusible ink stuff. Let's see. That Cricut Infusible ink, 4 count. Oh, duh! It's coasters. It's coasters, where I can make my own coasters. How cool! That's cool because I'm actually doing my living room right now, and I can have brand new coasters. All right, I'm good now. Oh, it looks like these are okay. One thing at a time. Check that out. Like, that's the Mac Daddy. Just all kinds of cutters and, oh, that's funny. I just bought one of these, like, paper cutters. So maybe I'll return the other one because I don't need it now because I have a Cricut one. But, all these, like, little putty knives. That looks like a dental pick. And I know that's for pulling up vinyl, so that's super cool. Oh my God, there's so much stuff in here that I just don't know. It's the Essential Toolkit is what it says. And maybe it's on the back here. Oh, it is. Okay. Portable trimmer for quick straight cuts. We've got a trimmer replacement blade. We've got a trimmer scoring blade. There is a scoring stylus. There is a weeder, which removes the tiny cutouts. We've got tweezers with a reverse grip. That's cool. We have a spatula, precisely lifts images from the cutting mat. That's amazing. We have scissors. And then we have a scraper, which cleans and removes unwanted scraps from the cutting mat. How cool is that? Y'all, I'm not going to know what to do with myself. More coasters. Okay, this is cool. Some more coasters, so I've got some projects I can start off with. Again, super cool, amazing timing because my living room is currently in the middle of remodel. Something in this, let's see what this is. I don't want to open it right now. Let's see. Shut up. It's glitter iron-ons. Oh my God. Shut up. Silver and gold glitter iron-on. Do you know how many t-shirts I'm going to be making? You're going to see me in a brand new t-shirt every week. I can glitter iron on this t-shirt. Okay, I got to calm down. All right, and it looks like a bunch of paper. So, true brushed paper. Really, really beautiful. I love all of those colors. There's my favorite. And then, what is this? Oh, an easy press mat. Okay, I do know that I'm getting an easy press as well. That's probably in the next box. So there's an easy press mat, which is fantastic. And then it looks like some paper. This is a variety pack. It just says variety pack. And it looks like light grip mat, secure lightweight, medium weight materials with soft release. Okay, cool. So it's mats for doing your vinyl and stuff on. So, all right, that is the end of this box. Again, try not to knock over my light. I'm so excited. I am so excited because I know that there's another box coming. So I will do a unboxing of that box when it arrives, and I'll share the rest of the stuff with you. So, more to come. Hey everybody, okay, as I promised, box number 3 did show up, and it is the Easy Press. So, and it's the big one. So I will be making some very cool t-shirts and all kinds of goodies coming up with my new Cricut maker. I'm super excited to be partnering with Cricut. And yeah, stay tuned for some more videos. And I'm going to do a Cricut introduction video that will show you all of the great bells and whistles with the Cricut maker. And then I'm going to make stuff. I'm going to make a lot of stuff. All right, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Bye-bye.